Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where real reviews meet raw horsepower. Today, we're diving into something massive, luxurious, and downright impressive: the 2025 Kenworth W1250 Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a mansion on 18 wheels. At first glance, the W1250 looks like a typical heavy-duty Kenworth truck. But don't be fooled. Step inside, and it's a whole different world. Kenworth has taken their powerhouse chassis and turned it into a premium-class motorhome, designed for those who crave adventure, space, and unmatched comfort on the open road. Let's talk power. First, because what's a Kenworth without a beast under the hood? The W1250 comes equipped with a 15-liter Packer MX-13 engine, pushing out over 500 horsepower and 1,050 lb-ft of torque. Whether you're towing a boat, a trailer, or just powering up steep terrain, this engine handles it all without breaking a sweat. The ride is smooth, thanks to the latest adaptive suspension system, and the 18-speed automated transmission shifts like a dream, especially for a vehicle of this size. Now, step inside the cabin, and this is where the magic really begins. Imagine a luxury apartment, but mobile. You're welcomed by heated Italian leather recliners, ambient LED lighting, and real hardwood floors. The living space features AEE full-size couch, retractable 55-inch smart TV, and a built-in entertainment system with surround sound. It's the kind of space where you forget you're even in a vehicle. The kitchen is fully loaded. Granite countertops, a dual induction cooktop, convection microwave, full-size stainless steel fridge, and even a dishwasher. Storage is abundant, and there's even a small wine cooler tucked neatly under the cabinets. Cooking on the road. You've never had it this good. Moving to the rear, the W1250 offers a master bedroom with a queen-size bed, underbed storage, cedar-lined closets, and a skylight right above the bed. It feels more like a boutique hotel, suite than a motorhome. The bathroom? Full stand-up shower, ceramic toilet, backlit mirror, and yes, heated floors. Tech-wise, the 2025 W1250 is smarter than ever. It comes with a centralized touchscreen control system that manages lighting, temperature, security, and entertainment. You've also got 360-degree exterior cameras, satellite internet, solar panels on the roof, and a lithium-ion battery bank for off-grid travel. But the best part? It doesn't just live big, it drives big too. Despite its massive size, the EU handling is surprisingly responsive, and visibility is top-notch thanks to the aerodynamic mirrors and digital side-view cameras. On long highway stretches, the adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision warning systems really earn their keep. So, is the 2025 Kenworth W1250 Motorhome worth it? If you're looking for the ultimate blend of trucking muscle and luxury motorhome living, then absolutely. It's not cheap. Prices start around $750,000, but what you're getting is basically a 5-star hotel that can go anywhere. That's it for today's review on Honest Auto Wheels. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Kenworth W1250 Motorhome, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next ride. Until then, stay safe, drive smart, and keep your wheels honest.